This is Tina from Tia's Treasures, and tonight I have for you a quick 3 cards from the February Simon Says stamp Season of Sentiments. I'm not going to show you the whole kit, but I thought I would just do 3 real quick cards, and I'll show you a few components of the kit as we get going. So anyway, for card number 1, I have got this piece of pattern paper that I've took from the card kit, 2 pieces actually, and a die cut that I made. We get this nice die that says "Miss You" at the background, and I cut that out of some black cardstock that was in my stash and the pink polka dot pattern paper. And then I also have this really pretty pattern paper that I am using for this. I bought an extra pad of the paper, which is why I can show you this, even though I'm using it here. So it's got these real pretty roses, and it does have a pink border all the way around, but I cut that off, so it's not going to show up in my card. And of course, I stacked up my die cut, so it looks kind of like chipboard, and that's what we're going to use for card number 1. Now, I've got this tape runner, this dot runner that came in this month's kit, and I'm going to go ahead and use this. Now, this tape runner here that I'm using is an older one that came in a previous kit, but it's the same pretty much dot runner. So I'm going to use that, and we're going to center this here, and hopefully, because I'm doing this live and not doing a voiceover, I won't mess it up. And that looks good. So let's go ahead and get, am I running out of tape? I will be soon. I've got a refill next to me. That also came in a previous kit. Came with refills. And am I out? Isn't that something? We run out right away on the first. We'll just open up this actual one that came with the kit, so you don't have to watch me try to fiddle with a refill. Always something, isn't it? Come on, you. You know, I thought I had everything set up, and of course, I looked at that and said that tape runner's getting a little low, but it should be okay. Was it? No. Do I have tape along all 4 sides, except for the top here? Okay. Let's get this here. Oh, actually, I've got a border going around this, so that won't work. How's that? There we are. Excuse the dogs, guys. I don't have the door shut, so of course they're gonna start barking and make noise, because that's what my dogs do. I was hoping they'd be sleeping by about now, but they're not. I'll put that right there. I'm gonna shut the door. And we're still going to hear them, but hopefully not as bad. And that's not going anywhere now. I've got some little pink hearts that I can't remember where they came from, but I think they were out of another die cut. And they might work. Oh, those are cute. I think we're going to use these. I'm going to put a few down. Is there a black mark there? There is. So I'm going to cover that little black mark. How's that? Yeah, whatever I had used, it produced some little hearts, and I had them off to the side to use in a different kit. And so that's what I'm doing with these. And this is card number 1. Now for card number 2, I did take some black cardstock out of my stash because I wanted to use this beautiful stamp, this floral stamp that came with the kit, and the sentiments, "Thanks for being you," which I heat embossed with some gold embossing powder. And the kit does come with this nice 6x6 piece of kind of a rose colored glitter paper. Well, this does not go with my card, so I pulled in a piece of gold glitter paper, and I'm going to use that. Put these off to the side. And my paper did warp just a bit as I was heat embossing it. So that is going to, when we glue it down, it'll take care of the warping, I hope anyway. Now I did trim this down, this black cardstock down to 4 by 5 1/4. And of course I'm not getting that straight. How's that? A little bit better. Bring this in. And get that lined up there. And now, should we put any jewels on there? I have some of these. I think I'm just going to leave this simple for now and just say thanks for being you, card number 2. Now for our third and final card, I have got some more pattern paper. It was the back of the pattern paper that was the pink polka dots that we had done on card number 1. So we've got the back of that, and so I've got that, and I have another Miss You die cut that I cut out, and I did it in pink that came in the kit and some blue. The blue I think is a little lighter than the blue we get in the kit, but I wanted it to match these little blue flowers that are all over this pattern paper. And so I did cut the Miss You out of this. And that's going to be it for card 3. We're just going to glue our little pieces all onto that. And these dot runners always like to give me grief. Of course, I think all tape runners do. I find most glues have their good sides and their bad sides, or their drawbacks. All adhesives and glues. I haven't found one that is perfect for everything yet. Now which way do I want that going? That way or this way? We will glue this down. Of course, maybe I should glue this. It'll be fine. I got put it on my card base. Where do we want that to go? There, there. Well, our first one's up there, but I kind of like the way that looks right there. So we want to do it there anyway. And just miss you. Oh, come on. Keep getting it crooked. Everything's a bit crooked. Oh, wow. And now we can just look at that. That is okay. This is going to be hopefully a pretty quick video. So if you enjoy watching my content, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe. I love having all of you here all the time. You make me happy. We need some hearts on here, don't we? Or some jewels. Definitely need something. So let's see. We've got some pink hearts that do not match. We've got some other pink glitter hearts. These are Love from Lizzie. I don't know if these will match at all. Let's take a look. And they might be too iridescent. Unfortunately, I don't think you'd see them at all. Well, we could put a little one up there, which we will. It's kind of cute. But we have to figure out where to put some more. Even though these aren't going to show real well. Should we? Well, they might show better than I think. I am not sure what I think about that. Let's get a medium one. These come in 3 different sizes. So far, I have used 2 big ones. And now, if I ever get it off the sheet, we'll be using a medium one. Come on, you. I have no fingernails right now, which is why I'm using these tweezers. Oh, no. I think I might just leave these 3 right like that. And I'll have to come back and look at this card a little bit later. At any rate, this is card number 3. So thank you for being here. I guess I could show you all the cards again real quick. We have 3, 2, and 1. So thank you, everyone. Bye-bye for now.